What is required to achieve something? Self-confidence? No. Hard work? No. Smartness? No. Hey, then what else is required? Cool. To achieve something, the very first thing you need to have is the target. So let's say now you have a target and you have achieved something out of the target. How you will find the target achievement percentage? That's what we are going to see in this video. My name is Ganesh. Welcome to Laziness and Excel. The basic formula to find the target achievement percentage is achievement divided by target multiplied by 100. Let's say your target is 100 and the achievement is 90. So when you divide 90 by 100, you will get 0.9, and when that 0.9 is multiplied by 100, you will get the result as 90. As it is a very simple calculation, we have done it over our mind. But imagine when your target was 18,976 and the achievement was 16,785. Is it practically possible to calculate the achievement percentage over our mind? It's quite difficult. So for that reason, you can use Excel to calculate things like this. For this tutorial, I have created 4 different types of measuring the achievement percentage. First, let me go with my favorite one, which is sales. Here we have the list of salesperson's target and their achievement. At the bottom we have the area manager to whom the above salespersons are reporting to. First, let me find the total target and their achievement of the area manager by using sum function. Remember, whenever you are going to use any function or formula, you need to start with the equal sign. Type equals sum, open parenthesis, select the above range, close parenthesis, hit on enter. Now we have got the total target of the area manager. To get the total achievement, you no need to type the formula again. You can just copy the same formula which we used to find the target and paste it here. And finally, we need to find the achievement percentage of each salesperson, including the area manager. So as I told you, the formula to find the achievement percentage was achievement divided by target into 100. But in Excel, it's slightly different, where you can just write only equals achievement divided by target and hit on enter. Here I am getting 0.95 as a result. To convert it to the percentage format, all you need to do is open Format Cells dialog box by right click on the cell, select Format Cells. Under Number tab, select percentage, set the decimal places to 0 and hit on OK. So far so good. To apply the same formula to the rest of the cells, I am just going to copy this formula and paste it to the below cells. But you can notice the area manager border formatting was broken when I directly paste the formula to the cells below. So to avoid breaking the formattings, I will just undo it. Once again, let me copy the formula, select the below cells, right mouse click and select paste special, select formulas only and click on OK. To change the numbers to the percentage format, again you can right click and select Format Cells, or you can just click on Ctrl 1, which is the shortcut to open the Format Cells dialog box. Under Number tab, select percentage, set the decimal places to 0 and click on OK. So according to the report, salesperson 1 had achieved 95% of his target, whereas salesperson 5 had overachieved his target, which is 105%. And finally, the area manager had achieved 94% of his overall target. Now let me quickly move to the other examples. Coming to the logistics, here we have the total number of orders placed by each customers and the actual number of orders dispatched. We just want to find the dispatch percentage of each customers. First, let me calculate the total orders placed and actual dispatches for overall customers using sum function. Instead of writing equals sum and selecting the above ranges, you can just click on Alt equals, which will automatically bring you the total of the above range. Let me copy the same formula and paste it for the orders dispatched. Now let us write the formula to calculate the dispatch percentage. The formula is going to be the same as we wrote in the salesperson exercise, which is equals order dispatched divided by order placed and click on enter. Copy the same formula and paste it below and change the numbers to the percentage format by pressing Ctrl 1. Under Number tab, select percentage, Set the decimal places to 0 and click on OK. You can see the service level of customer 4 is very low comparing to others, and the overall dispatch level is maintained at 85%. Coming to the BPO part, we have the total calls landed to each executives and number of calls answered. Again, let me put the total first. To calculate the achievement percentage of each executives, again I am going to write the formula equals answered calls divided by total call flow and hit on enter. Copy the formulas to the cells below. Change the number to the percentage format. Lastly, coming to the student progress. Here we have the student subject wise total mark versus actual mark score. First, let me calculate the total marks scored by the student. Then let me write the formula to calculate the achievement percentage equals marks score divided by total marks and hit on enter. Copy the formulas to the cells below. Change the number to the percentage format. Click on OK. Basically, on viewing the progress of this student, it is clear that this student doesn't like science and social, where the scores are very low compared to other subjects. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video useful, please hit on the thumbs up button and share it to your friends as well. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and click on the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos. Meet you soon in another video. Until then, bye.